Hello everyone, Sarah here, your guide in this wonderful journey of maths. Our today's topic is Relations Part 2. Domain, range and codomain of a relation from the chapter Relations and Functions. We know the definition of relation or what is a relation. If R is a relation from A to B, that means R is a subset of A cross B. The elements of R are in the form of ordered pairs, isn't it? Since R is a subset of A cross B, elements of A cross B are in the form of ordered pairs. Therefore, elements of the relation are also in the form of ordered pairs. Then, what is domain of the relation? If R is a relation from A to B, then the set of all first elements of ordered pairs in the relation gives the domain. And set of second elements of ordered pairs in the relation gives range. Codomain is the whole set B itself. Let us understand the concept of domain, range and codomain with the help of an example. Consider two sets. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to set 5, 6, 7, 8. I am going to write a relation R from A to B. Let R is equal to ordered pair 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7. Suppose this is a relation from A to B. Is it a relation from A to B? 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7. All these are elements of A cross B, isn't it? Therefore, it is a relation from A to B. We are going to write the domain, range and codomain of this relation. What is the definition of domain? The set of first elements of the ordered pair in the relation R. What is the set of first elements in the ordered pair of this relation? Look at the ordered pairs. 1, 5. 1 is the first element. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. That means first element is 1, 2, 6, 2, 7. One more element 2, 5, 6, 5, 7. So set of first elements in the ordered pairs is 1, 2, 5. This gives the domain of this relation. Domain of this relation is 1, 2, 5. Now, what is the range of this relation? What is the definition of range? The set of all second elements of ordered pairs in the relation R. What about the second elements? 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. That means set of second elements is only set 5, 6, 7. This gives the range of this relation. Now, what is codomain? The whole set B gives the codomain. So, what is the codomain? Codomain is equal to set 5, 6, 7, 8. Very easy concept. Domain, range and codomain of a relation. Okay? Is it clear to you? Let us discuss one more question. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, etc. 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to ordered pair xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where xy element of A. Write down the domain, codomain and range. In order to write domain, codomain and range, first of all we will write the relation in roster form. Write the relation in roster form. R is equal to ordered pair xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Write the elements. We know how to write, isn't it? Y is equal to 3x. Substitute the values of x. Means here R is a subset of A cross A. R is a subset of A cross A. Now write the ordered pairs of this relation. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. X is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9. X is equal to 4, 4 3s are 12. X is equal to 5, 5 3s are 15. Is it an element of A cross A? 5, 15 an element of A cross A? No. So the only elements in this relation are 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. 5, 15 is not possible. 5 is an element of A. 15 is not an element of A. So 5, 15 is not an element of A cross A. Now write the domain, range and codomain of this relation. What is the meaning of domain? Domain means set of first elements in the ordered pair. What are the first elements in this ordered pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what is range? Range is the set of second elements in the ordered pair. Set of second elements in the ordered pair. Which are that? 3, 6, 9, 12. Right? 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the codomain? Codomain. R is a relation from A to A. Codomain is set A itself. Codomain. If R is a relation from A to B, then B gives the codomain. Here the relation is from A to A. Therefore, A is the codomain itself. So, what is codomain? Codomain is equal to A itself. That is set 1, 2, 3, etc. 14. Is it clear? Let us discuss one more question. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and let R be a relation on A defined by R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A be element of A, B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form, then write domain, range and codomain of the relation. We know R is a relation on A means R is a subset of A cross A. We have to write those elements of R cross A cross A. We have to write those elements of A cross A which satisfies this condition. Let us try. We know every number is divisible by itself, isn't it? So, 1, 1, 1, 1 is an element of R. What about 1, 2? Is 2 divisible by 1? Yes. So, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. Because 4 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1. All these are elements of R. Now, what about 2, 1? 2, 1. Is 1 divisible by 2? No. So, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, since 2 is divisible by 2. Is 2, 3 correct? Is 3 divisible by 2? No. So, what is the next possibility? 2, 4. Because 4 is divisible by 2. We can divide 4 by 2. Isn't it? 4 is divisible by 2. Now, which is the next one? 2, 6. Because 6 is divisible by 2. Is 3, 1 possible? A cross A means 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, like that. Isn't it? Now, which one is the next one? 3, 1. Is 3, 1 divisible by, is 3, 1 an element of R? Is 3, 1 an element of R? Is 1 divisible by 3? No. Is 3, 2 an element of R? Is 2 divisible by 3? No. So, which is the next element? 3, 3. Because 3 is divisible by 3. What about 3, 4? Is 4 divisible by 3? No. What about 3, 6? Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. So, which is the next element? 3, 6. Now, 4, 1. Is 4 divisible by 1? No. 4 divisible by 2? No. 4 divisible by 3? No. So, which is the next element? 4, 4. Because 4 is divisible by 4. Now, what about the next elements? Is 6 divisible by 1? No. 6 divisible by 2? No. 6 divisible by 3? No. 6 divisible by 4? No. So, which is the next element? 6, 6. So, these are the elements of R which satisfies this condition. Now, write the domain, range and codomain. What is the domain? Set of first elements in the ordered pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. What is the domain? Set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. What is the range? Set of second elements in the ordered pair. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 again. So, range is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And what about the codomain? Codomain is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Why? Because R is a relation from A to A. This gives the codomain. So, what is the codomain? Codomain is also the set A itself, or set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I hope the concept of domain, range and codomain of a relation is clear to you. Keep practicing. I will be back with more videos. Till then, bye.